To use iFightBack laser training inserts for dry fire practice in your own home or office, start iFightBack and click on the laser shot square. This will bring up the camera setup window. It will list the cameras attached to your computer. Select the USB webcam you want to use. Do not select the integrated camera that may have come with your laptop, as these do not work with iFightBack. Step 1 is to click on the Start Camera button. This will open the screen that will show you the live feed from your camera. It may take a few seconds for the camera to get up and running. Once the camera feed is showing, you now want to position your camera as close as possible to your target. We have used a USB extension cable and an inexpensive tripod to place the camera where we want it. If you cannot get your camera into an ideal location, you can use the zoom, pan, and tilt controls to better place your target in the camera's frame. This is all done in Step 2 tab of the camera setup window on the right. When your target is in the frame as best as possible, click on the Step 3 tab. Here you should click on the Outline Target Area button and then click on the top left of your target and, keeping the mouse button down, move to the bottom right of the target. You will see a yellow box being drawn that will outline your target. Don't worry if you don't get it exactly right. If you click on any given side and keep the mouse button down, you can move that side in or out. Clicking in the middle of the target and keeping the mouse button down will allow you to move the entire box. Once you have your overall target outlined, you can optionally outline the head area and/or center mass area. If these areas are outlined, it will add to the audio feedback and the reports. Once you have outlined your target area or areas, click the Final tab. The first thing you do in this screen is to click on the Auto Adjust Camera button. This lets the program adjust the camera to a setting that will be best for detecting laser hits on your target. Once the auto adjust is complete, you will hear a beep and see the Start button is now enabled. Currently there are 3 practice modes: the 5-step draw drill, quick draw, and general target practice. Clicking on the Help button at the bottom left of the camera setup window will describe these in more detail. We will quickly demonstrate what they do so that you will have a general idea. First, we will select the general target practice mode. The pause between starts setting gives you time to leave the computer and get ready in front of the target. After you click the Start button, the program will wait for the number of seconds selected, and then the program will deliver the range commands and a beep when you are good to start shooting. Let's watch and listen. Range is hot. Cease fire. Secure your weapon. At the end of 10 rounds, after the final range commands, this report will come up showing your times, split times, and shot placements. Now let's select the quick draw mode. We will set it to repeat so that you don't have to keep going back to the computer after each shot. Again, you'll be given a verbal range command and the final beep to draw and shoot. It will keep repeating until you click stop or until you have drawn and fired 10 times. Here it is. Shooter ready? Stand by.
Shot time is 1.22 seconds.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
Shot time is 0.34 seconds.
After pressing the stop button or at the end of 10 rounds, your report will come up showing your times and shot placements. Now we will run through the 5-step draw drill. Help will explain more about this in detail. The idea is to start slow by adjusting the pause between starts at something like 4 or 5 seconds. As you get comfortable with that, set the time to fewer and fewer seconds between steps. The idea is to start slow and get the steps smooth, and then go a little faster until you have that smooth. As the saying goes, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. We are going to run through this fast right now so you will hear the steps. Let's listen. Grip, pull, rotate, join, extend and fire.
Shot placement was center mass.
Scan and assess. Secure your weapon. When you are finished, just click on Cancel. Remember to practice often and always follow gun safety rules.